Hello my people, hello. Sasa hizi ni kuni. I'm looking for kuni. Just look. Hey. Just look at them. Natengeneza kuni huko. Nasimenyeshewa. Hey. The rain is too much here. The rain is too much. Despite we have to heat. We have to heat despite of rains. We have to heat, my people. Otherwise, this is my final touches in Kisii. We shall do other video somewhere else. So my people, bye for today. Bye. I love you.